paradise which no longer stands because of Pakistan shelling. We are here in Karaiya village. This is in Rajouri, and this far-flung area, the line of control, has come under Pakistan shelling attack. And there you see signs of devastation. This house doesn't stand anymore. This is completely devastated. There is no roof now. There is obviously not bit of structure. But at a time where Chunni Lal was sitting to eat a meal with his family, that's when Pakistan opened fire. The administration is here, but clearly, as far as number of people are here, we'll try and get you a sense from Chunni Lal and his family. Sir, आप ये बताइए, आप लोग यहाँ पर कब से बसेरा करते थे और ये अचानक से जो फायरिंग हुई इससे कितना नुकसान हुआ है आपका?
बहुत नुकसान हुआ, बहुत नुकसान इतना हुआ, देख सकते हैं अंदर कितना नुकसान है। जो चीज़ें है, जो फ्रिज है पड़ा हुआ, बेड है, जो दरवाजे खिड़की हैं, चादरें हैं, सब गिर गई।
आप लोग उस टाइम खाना खा रहे थे? खाना
खाता ही नहीं, मौसम किसी खाने लगे सा कुछ खाता है, लट्ठे ही
खाना अंदर पड़ा हुआ है,
खाना अंदर
खाया ही नहीं,
जान बचा के
भाग गए थे।
But let's just try and get you a sense of what has really happened. Look at the concrete, and this is the shell. Look at this. This is the impact of the artillery shelling which has taken place, and the signs of devastation just about everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. And this is the food in preparation. Remember, the food is there, but obviously not being able to eat because of the devastation that has taken place. And look at this. The entire structure stands devastated. Whatever belongings this poor family had doesn't exist. From the administration, we have an officer. Sir, कितना नुकसान हुआ है? कितने घरों का नुकसान हुआ है? खासतौर पे रजौरी में तो कई घर हैं, करिया में कितने हैं?
11 जो घर हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुके हैं, तो उसकी तफसील बढ़ा रहे हैं। जैसे ही तफसील ऊपर भेजेंगे उसके मुताबिक इनको कंपनसेशन दी जाएगी।
और खास तौर पे अब इनको कहीं सेफर एरिया में आप लोग मूव कर रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे? क्योंकि काफी अनसर्टेनिटी है।
सेफ एरिया में हम गाड़ियाँ लगाई, इनको शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। आज भी कर रहे हैं और कुछ कल परसों भी किए थे। आज भी इन लोगों को यहाँ से शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं हम जी।
So there you go. This is a meal under preparation at night. Look at this. And now everything seems devastated because Chunni Lal himself is a laborer. This is hard earned, and this is where he was trying to keep his family together. But definitely, look at this. Hardly anything down remains. It's just 3 walls. There's no roof on top, and devastation just about everywhere. It's heartbreaking for all these people who are living at line of control, because there is a sense of uncertainty and fear which looms really large. But the signs of devastation are clearly there. Artillery shelling, there is drones, and there is a certain sense of unpredictability. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Rajouri for India Today.